Alright guys, here's a review on the USB-C dual display docking station. I'm actually using this with my MacBook. I've already tried this out on my Windows laptop and it worked perfectly. Just plug and play. With the MacBook, works as well too. I have a 2021 MacBook Pro. Here's a little dock right here. Connected to Type-C. Actually has HDMI's on the back. Type-C as well. And some USB-A's on the back, 2.0. I'm connecting a display port and it works perfectly. There's my second monitor. But no, I mean, you can see right here. Let's see here. Let's see here. If you can see right here, you can actually move the window over and it moves over here. And no, works perfectly. I like it. It's like a heavy kind of metal on the material. But no, works for MacBook and for Windows.